All right, taking a look at this is my 1949 GMC 100. It's just a killer rat rod style build, sitting on a modern chassis, S10 chassis. Power brakes. This is not for the faint of heart. It's an air ride setup with a 6.0 LS motor, built for 4L60 trans, and just a killer looking truck all the way around. That custom features like that roll pan on the back, chain, got the earlier model rear fenders. It really sets it off. Got the right wheels, right setup, air ride, kegger fuel tank, and it does have the metal tailgate. It's just got that wood on the outside of it. It's a killer truck, I'm telling you. What a blast to drive. Side exit exhaust. It's got a thumping stereo system, bomber seats. Got Dakota digital gauges.